Hello guys and welcome to volokinproject. This is Tony, your favorite independent YouTuber. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing, first impressions, as well as size comparison of the new TCL 10L, also known as the TCL 10 Lite. This is my little unboxing knife over here, which I'm going to leave aside for a little bit later on. Now, first of all, let's talk about something very important, guys. When doing unboxing reviews of this and that, most of the content that you see from TCL is unfortunately sponsored, especially my US comrades. All they gonna say is TCL is a new brand, they offer the best value for money, this and that. No. TCL have been doing phones for a few years now. They own Alcatel as well as BlackBerry, but they're, making extremely cheap phones for the US market. Just look at all those phones that they're selling, guys. They've got like 30 or 50 models, something like that. In Europe, they released the TCL Plex, well, last year, which is pretty much a very similar phone. They've got the TCL 10 Pro as well, that I'm going to review a little bit later on my channel, and I'm going to do a size comparison. Now, price-wise, this phone retails for 199 British pounds pretty much everywhere. If you're supporting my channel and if you follow me on my Ko-fi page where I post the best tech deals in the UK and in Europe, you already know that you can buy this phone for 189 pounds and get a free pair of TCL earbuds, guys, for the same price. So, without further ado, let's have a look at the specifications of this phone first. 6.53 1080p LCD screen with a hole punch, fortunately, HDR. Okay, we've got a quad camera setup. I'm gonna go into detail about the camera setup a little bit later on when I take this phone out of the box. They highly advertise this feature, multi-Bluetooth device support. Essentially, you can connect a few Bluetooth devices at the same time and sync them. I've got no idea whether you're gonna do, a small crappy, Bluetooth speaker party, or I really have no idea, guys. I have to double check that. 6 GB of RAM. You've got two versions, 64 gigs and 128 gigs of storage, and 4000 milliamp hours of battery inside, guys. So let's take this bad boy out of the box over here and let's see what we're dealing with over here, guys. All right, now simping tool, that's good, that's the phone itself. Let's get inside this tiny little sleeve over here and see what we're dealing with. We've got the usual instructions and stuff, and we've got a case. I really have no idea why it says display greatness, but I really like this pattern over here. I'm gonna leave it on the side, guys. This is our phone. Again, I'm gonna put it on the side. What do we have over here? USB cable, as well as 10-watt UK charger. It's gonna take ages to charge this 4000 milliamp hours of battery with only 10 watts. But anyways, guys, this is the phone itself. It's offered in two colors. This is the white, whatever they want to call it, color, and the other color is the same as the TCL Plex. Over here, the difference is that this one is glass and this one is plastic. From durability standpoint, this one is actually better. But check this out, guys. This color is absolutely beautiful, guys. Now, let's have a look at this peculiar camera setup. It protrudes a little bit. You've got the dual flash setup. Now we've got 4 cameras, guys. The interesting one is, of course, the 48 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL S5K GM1, which is essentially the same camera as the Xiaomi Black Shark 2, as well as the Zitine Axon 10 Pro. The rest of the cameras, we've got, let me see, an 8 megapixel super wide angle camera GC8034, 8 megapixel super wide angle, kind of useless to be honest with you. The other cameras is just 2 megapixel macro camera, code name GC2385, again kind of crappy, and the last camera is a 2 megapixel depth sensor, absolutely useless. So from actually 4 cameras, you've got only one pretty good actual camera, guys. At the front of the phone, we've got a 16 megapixel selfie camera used in some Oppo and Vivo phones. The code name is S5K3P9SP04. So yeah, that's pretty much the phone, guys. The hole punch over here, really nice and clean at the front. Let's see what do we have on the sides. We've got the power button, the volume rocker over here. The frame, I believe, is made of plastic, guys. So on top of the phone, we've got a microphone, 3.5mm jack. On this side, we've got the programmable key. At least it was programmable before the update. After the update, is just a Google Assistant button. Really annoying, but at least you can disable that. 2 SIM cards and 1 micro SD. Over here at the bottom, we've got a mono speaker and USB Type-C. And now let's check this one out, guys. You've got face unlock. As you can see, it works pretty well. You've got a fingerprint reader as well, and it is faster than you expect, actually. Absolutely stock Android experience with a few additional extras. The processor inside is the Snapdragon 665, which might be a problem in that particular case. Speaking of the case, let's just slap this case, and there we go, guys. We can still see the shiny black plastic over here, but this case is kind of nice and a little bit different, to be honest with you. So pretty much that it is for today's video, guys. Let me just quickly compare this phone to the TCL Plex and the 10 Pro and give you what, in my opinion, is the best alternative to these phones, guys. So check this out. This is the TCL Plex over here, pretty much the same size, guys, but again, this one is made of plastic. Let me just use the case. I don't want to scratch the screen over here. And this is the, oh man, look at this color. This is the 10 Pro. It looks a little bit more greenish in real life rather than the bluish tint on the camera. But anyways, guys, this phone is double the price, £400. This one is just £200, guys. I'm just gonna leave this one aside over here, and I'm gonna leave this one aside over here. So now, instead of wasting your money on a brand that you don't know nothing about, essentially a Chinese brand, you can get instead another Chinese brand, which is the Xiaomi Note 8 Pro. Amazing value for money smartphone with a very powerful I believe it was the G90, Helio G90 chipset inside. Again, a beautiful black back cover over here, guys. Sorry, but I'm really in a hurry, guys. So there we go. Check this out. Absolutely beautiful Note. What is that crap over here? Okay, so absolutely beautiful Note 8 Pro over here. I got my unit for, again, £169. So value for money. This one is the cheaper option. By the way, if you follow my coffee page, once again, I managed to get one for just £150, where the retail price in the UK is 230, guys. So definitely worth checking out my page. So I guess you can already tell why I was in a hurry to get this video done, guys. I'm gonna do a full comparison of these phones in my future videos, and for now, subscribe to Volokin Project, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Adios.